Today, we're strawberry picking at the Red Berry Barn. Raspberry review. Oh my god, so good, Leah. This is the view. Lost Leah. She's somewhere in one of these many fields. Like, I haven't seen Leah in 10 minutes. I have no idea where. Found Leah. She was finding blueberries. Hello. Hi. Gus the goat. His friend is a little bigger. Here's our bin. Overall, we're feeling a little bit sad because they didn't even have strawberries and they told us that they did, but we did like the animals, so that kind of made up for it. These are delectable though.